Hello guys, welcome back for another video. And today this is the first opening opening on the channel. Today we have found a very cool looking car wash that I'm gonna do. So guys, it's 11:32 p.m. and it's May 20th. Yesterday's video the game didn't show, but guys, it's fine. I'll make more of those bus videos soon, as I promised. So anyways, this year has a two wash bays, and we're gonna do both. We're gonna do the touchless and soft touch. If you want to see both, then like and subscribe. It'll be so cool. I'm gonna give you a little tour. So the first thing you see here, the gas pumps. Here's the two washes that we're gonna film. Two separate bays. So right now my car is so dirty today. I'm driving a blue car, as you can see here. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, I want you guys to know, have you guys ever liked car washes? I love car washes. Car washes are great. They're fun. I went to a Mill Creek in the video I made, and I also went to a shell. So, enough further ado, we are gonna head and drive to the car wash. We're gonna go to bay number 1, touchless. There's a combination, so we're gonna press touchless. Alright guys, our door is officially opened. We are gonna enter. There's the Mark 7 Choice Wash XT. I like these kind. One thing that harms me is about the brushes. Alright, this is the car wash. Right now we're getting pre-soaked. What the hell? Whoa! Something is wrong with this car wash. I'm sure I got the pre-soak in the trash started. Are you serious? What a waste of time. Stupid car wash. I give this a 0 out of 10. Stupid car wash. I select the ultimate. And look what happened. They just tried to start out with us. I got the pre-soak. You guys saw that, did you? This is stupid. So we're gonna try this again. But we have to pick which one we like. Touchless, $12. Now we're going in through. I don't want anything happening this way. There we go. Now we're getting pre-soak. That was so crazy. Like, we got the dryers as soon as we got done. I was so bad. So guys, like and subscribe. Don't you dare turn on the dryers. Phew! The arm came down, so it's gonna do the full wash. I didn't know something wrong with the wash. I think that's the problem. So I think that was what happened. You can see all that. It's so late at night. People are busy on today. It's about 11:37 p.m. now. Now it's going to do the back, which is great. Now we got the blasters. I hope we have enough time for soft touch. That's pretty nice. That was unexpected all with now it's going to do the front now. Hey guys, if you guys are enjoying it now, make sure you like and subscribe, because this is my channel. I really needed a YouTube channel, so but great thing I got one. So guys, I was wondering, I like car washes, and they were so much fun. Now we're gonna get the triple foam. Someone just went in the other bay. We are almost done. We just have this. Alright, some rinsing. Let's see what happens. I think we might be done. I think we might. We might be done. And yes, we have officially finished. Now the tires are officially started. Man, the tire lost it. Another guy just got the dryers. Now we're gonna do the other side. That for the soft touch. A guy's going through this. I picked soft touch. We're gonna do that now. X. First win. Next is tri-foam. Yes, I was right. Tri-foam is next. I think we might get the bristles. Never got the bristles on this one before. I'm excited to see that. Let's see how the bristles work. What? Oh, okay. This is messed up. Well, well, guys, someone just hit the button. I don't want to do this again, but well, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Um, yes. Hold on. Before we end, um, who's doing this? See what this one is. It could be touch. Yes, we got soft touch. We are going to continue with our soft touch one. Then we're gonna officially end. With what? This is quite nice. We get the soft touch. We were about to end until we got the touch, because that's the one we really needed to do. Wait, someone got the hard version. The machine is coming down. 20 minutes in our video. Yeah. Now we start again. And now we can. I think this might be the hit of the watch. Yeah, that's the it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we have did fourth base, softness and touchless. Alright guys, this is it for our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have very fantastic day. Have a great day, everyone.